guys, welcome to another video. So I've just had a parcel turn up from Amazon. I think this might be a Saviland Polygel kit. Yes it is. Look at this. Saviland Polygel nail kit. So I'm just going to get the wrapping off first. So that is the box. How pretty is that box? That is beautiful. I also wanted to show you on here, but I don't think you're going to be able to see it. Yes. So I am so happy to see that this kit is 100% vegan and cruelty free. Advanced formula, slight odour and non-toxicity. Amazing. You've got how to use, and you've also got their contact details there. So, should we see what's in the box? So, inside the box looks like this. You've got your manual, poly nail gel kit with UV light manual. So, how to use, I really like this because you have got really detailed instructions there. And you've also got the pictures, which I really like. I just want to check here. Our poly nail gel should be cured for 2 to 3 minutes without nail lamp. Yes, I like that. So, like it said, you get the UV LED nail lamp. I've wanted one of these for so long. Some of you guys will already know now that I have ordered 2 of these off AliExpress. One just never arrived and one turned up and it was a vest top. Not even nail related. So I've not had much luck with these lights. So I'm really happy because these are so handy. You know, when you're doing lazy girl and things like that, these lamps are so handy for that. Or you just want to flash cure something really quick, like hold gems in place and stuff. So this is the nail lamp. Really, really cute. Oh, I think it's a sensor one as well. It's not a button, I don't think. Ooh, it's a posh one. You get your USB Type-C plug. You've got your user manual for the lamp. What we got in here. Ooh, in here we have got, love this. Not very often you get slip solution with polygel. Really nice touch. Love that. So you get 5 grams in there. And then we've got a Saviland base coat, which is 10 ml, nice big bottle. And then we've got the Saviland shiny top coat, 10 ml, nice big bottle. So I think these are going to be the polygels. Yes. So we've got cinnamon, milk tea, nude pink, rosy pink, white, and we've got a clear. Super excited to try these. And then we have got all your tools and everything that we need. So to start with, we've got some jewel forms. And actually, these look like quite nice jewel forms. They're not super curved. They look quite a nice size as well. They don't look too bad, you know. And you get 10 sizes of those. Let me just show you the biggest size. 1 second. So this is the biggest one. This is the smallest one. So you get a nice range of sizes. You get a 100, 180 grit file. I like that it's got the branding on as well. We've got a buffer and a shiner. And then lastly you get a polygel brush, which is a brush on this end. It looks like a really nice brush as well. I like these that come to a point at the end because you can get really nicely in the cuticle. And then on this end, you've got your spatula. Nice. So I think today, guys, I'm going to swatch the polygels so we can take a look at them. And then in an upcoming video, I'm going to do a design with them. So I just want to get the lamp plugged in so we can have a little look at this lamp, see what it's like. So you plug that into a USB plug, that end, and then this end just slots in there like that. And then to turn it on, can you see in there, you've got your on button. You just place your finger on there and it turns on. And that will give you a 60-second cure. And then once 60 seconds is up, it will turn itself off. So that will keep going until 60 seconds is up. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this base coat. Oh, it actually has a really nice smell to that. I'd say it's a kind of... It's not a thick consistency, but it is slightly on the thicker side. I'd say a medium consistency, actually. The top coat we'll have a look at when I come to use the top coat at the end. So let's have a look at this slip solution. Not very often you see slip solution in a polygel kit, so I love that touch. Really, really nice touch that is. So as you can see, no leakage. That actually smells a bit like, if any of you smelt the solid extension gel, it's got a similar smell to that. Quite a nice smell as well, actually. I couldn't smell it the minute I opened the lid. It's not overpowering whatsoever. Right, let's get them swatched now, shall we? So you get 15 grams in each of the tubes. And the first one we're going to swatch is cinnamon. They've also got the silver foil seals inside. They just come off nice and easy like that. So I'm just going to pop a little bit in the swatch stick. Like that. So I've cleaned my brush off with the slip solution. So I just dipped my brush in it and then I wiped it on a bit of kitchen roll. This slip solution is, the consistency is a little bit thick, but it's kind of in between a base coat and a slip solution. Slip solution is usually alcohol, which we all know is a liquid. This has a kind of thicker consistency to it. So that is cinnamon. It's a kind of dusky pink. It's a nice colour, I like it. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 2 minutes. Next one is milk tea. Well, that's quite a nice colour. It's a bit of a kind of Nelly nude, a jelly nude. No, it's like a nudie pink, but it's more on the jelly side. It's got more of a translucent look to it. That's nice, I like that. A Nelly Jude, oh my lord. Next one is nude pink. That's my kind of base colour. I like that. That is definitely my kind of colour. So that one was nude pink, wasn't it? Yeah. I like that. I'm not sure what I think to this slip solution, you know, guys. I might just get my alcohol out for a sec and see if I prefer that. Next colour is Rosy Pink. Yeah, I definitely much prefer using the alcohol. Definitely. I'm finding it not sticky. It's actually a really nice stiffish consistency. When you get it out the tube, it feels really stiff, but then when you start working with it, it actually is really nice to mould. Yeah, that is a lot better with alcohol. Much better. But that is all personal preference. Different people get on with different things, don't they? That is a really nice colour. I love that pink. Beautiful. Next one is white. I'm really excited for this one because it looks like a really nice bright opaque white. Ooh, that looks like a nice white. A really nice bright opaque white. I like that. And then last but not least, we've got the clear. So let's see what their clear is like, shall we? Yeah, there isn't many clear polygels out there, guys, that are actually clear. It's a really hard polygel to get right. Out of all the polygel brands that I've tried, I think there's probably 2 that are nearly crystal clear. It's a really hard polygel to get right. So let's see what it's like, shall we? And I think the key is to not overwork it as well. Right, let's see how that gets on, shall we? Right, so while that's curing, I just want to have a quick look at this top coat. See what that's like. Hardly got any smell to it, which is nice. It's a nice thick top coat. It feels like a really nice top coat. I want to try this clear again, guys. But I want to try it with the slip solution that they provided, just to give it a fair try. Because I don't want it to be my alcohol that has affected it, if you know what I mean. Right, so let's check out the clears first, guys. So this one is the one where I used my alcohol. And this one is the one where I used the Saviland slip solution. Actually, there is quite a bit of difference. So, this one where I used the alcohol, can you see how yellowy that's gone? It's got like a yellow tinge to it. I've never seen that happen before. Where this is actually clear. Now, it's not the best clear that I've seen by far, but it's not a bad clear actually. It's not milky like some clears are, it's just a little bit blurry, but when you put the swatch stick right up to the bottle, you can read it. But it is still not a bad clear actually. I'm impressed. This with the alcohol, not so much. Then we've got the white, which is a really nice white. I'm really happy with that. Beautiful bright white. This one is rosy pink. Again, my kind of colour. I really like it. This is probably my favourite cover colour, which is nude pink. It's just got that more of a slight peachy tone to it. I do like that sort of colour. Really, really opaque as well. And you can see they're not thick layers, what I've done either. You can see they're nice thin layers. This one is milk tea. I would say that's more slightly on the transparent side. It's looking a little bit more browner on camera, where it's not actually. It's more of a nude than a brown. And then lastly, we've got cinnamon, which is this one. There's some really nice colours there, isn't there? But I'm looking at these colours, and these are not the colours that I chose. They've sent me the wrong kit out. The colours that I chose had a few nudes, a couple of pinks, and they had a red and a glittery red. So yeah, these definitely are not the colours that I've chose. They've sent the wrong kit out. But I'm not too mad, because I'm going to need these kind of cover colours very soon, because I've got another Saviland kit, what I'm going to be showing you very, very soon. And you ready to see what kit this is? So this is their luminous neon polygel kit. I'm dying to get this out and have a play with it. Because I got this in the winter time, I've been waiting for the sun to come out. So these nude colours are going to be great to use with these neon colours. So I'm really, really happy I've got them actually. So yeah, now the sun's out, I shall be doing a video on them neon polygels very soon. Just keep your eyes out for that video. So there we are, guys. That is everything out of the Saviland Polygel kit. And what I like about these kits, you get everything. Everything that you need to create yourself a set of polygel nail extensions. They felt nice to use. I was really, really happy with them. And like I said at the beginning, these are also cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, made with natural resin. So they're really good quality as well. So if anyone's interested in this kit, I'm going to leave the link to it in my description box. Unfortunately, I haven't got a discount code for Amazon, but I have got a 20% off discount code for the Saviland website. I shall pin that in my comments along with the link to their website if anyone wants to have a look on there. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And oh, one other thing as well, I have got a really exciting giveaway coming up very soon. I'm trying to now get that pushed over 1k. So close to getting monetized now. So yeah, I have got a really, really exciting giveaway coming up very, very soon. And it is for international and UK. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. Very exciting. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.